Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
गाडयांचो खप वाडपाचे ऐन फेस्टिव्ह सिजनात ऑटोमोबाईल उद्देगाक सेमीकंडक्टराचे शॉर्टेजीन मोठो फटको. सेमीकंडक्टराचे उणावान उत्पादन 50% पडला नव्या गाडयांची शॉर्टेज.
Semiconductor is a long process. Setting up a factory takes around 2 years, and the kind of complexity a chip or a semiconductor has, it takes around from order to delivery a 2-month time. So no doubt we are in discussion with the government, and the government is working on with some of the foreign players who can set up a shop here. But still the discussions are on. We have heard Tata is also working with somebody to set up some gigafactory on this, and Reliance is also. But nothing has still happened on the ground today.
सध्या वेगवेगळ्या कलरांचे व्हेरियंट मेळप कठीण. गिरायकांनी आसा तातूंतल्योच गाडयो घेवपाच्यो अशी परिस्थिती. एंट्री लेवलांचे गाडयांचे वेटिंग पिरियड 2 ते 3 महिने जाल्यार हाय फीचर टॉप मॉडेलांचो वेटिंग पिरियड 6 महिने ते वर्स मेरेन वाडटलो.
This is becoming a big problem for us and the customers also. So what we normally suggest our customers that if you are interested to buy the vehicle and the showroom doesn't have your choice of color or your choice of variant, so you should buy whatever is available if it actually matches a bit also, because at least for coming 6 to 8 months this shortage will continue, and the vehicles with high feature top models will always be scarce. We are already seeing a 2 to 3 months waiting period for the entry level, and if you want to buy a top level model, it is ranging around 6 months to a year.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.